I thought it was. I did not know that this entire thing existed.
And I just like how welcoming it is and how many activities there are. So it's just fun to see.
I think getting a lot of free stuff is really cool too. Now I have new merch to wear.
I love that about it. I think he's going to get a lot of one-on-one with his professors, and he's going to get an awesome experience here, man.
I've been to a few campuses, and this is a nice, neat campus. I like it. It looks like it's going to be a good experience for him. I hope he enjoys it as much as he should.
My favorite part is honestly, I think just walking around and seeing all these people, it's just awesome to see a great, upcoming class.
Seeing the guy on stilts, that was cool.
Oh yeah, the guy on
The juggling
stilts.
dude.
The juggling dude, yeah, he's cool.
awesome.
We committed and we're really excited to be here.
Yeah, we're gonna be roommates.
I came to Subject Students Day because I wanted to get a feel of the campus, see if I really wanted to go here. And then I saw this highlight video and it made this place look so fun. And so far it's been fun for me too. I liked it.
Yeah, definitely the most fun Accepted Students Day tour we've been on so far.